Welcome to Safe Conveyor. We've just completed this incline conveyor. It's got a 4-foot base, which is about 6 inches high at the bottom. It's got 1-inch high flights on 12-inch centers. And then it inclines at 45 degrees for a 6-foot section to give it a clear height of at least 4 feet. What's unique about this model is that the customer is carrying paper cut scraps from bookbinding. And he wants to get rid of the scraps and go into a waste bin. So obviously the paper pieces present a problem with any kind of conveyor in terms of wedging and jamming. And what we've done here is we've designed a cover that goes over the section on the incline. And that's to keep the paper moving upward. But that also presents the problem that now you have a cover and you can get bunched up under there and get a jam, and then how do you clear it? So what we've designed is a lift up section. So if you lift this up, as you can see, this hood pivots. And that'll allow you to get clearance. It'll also allow, if there's a slight bump or something going through it, it'll slightly kick up a little bit, so it'll prevent jamming. And then at the top, we have a second panel that also lifts up. You can sort of see how they both work. This one overlaps like waterfalls on top of the first one. Now we can demonstrate that. I'll put the conveyor on. Yeah, I don't have a lot of scrap paper here, but I did cut up some scraps. Get them in here. I'm going to probably move around so I don't catch them. So there we go up the hill. Nicely. To the end. And then they start coming out the top and dump into the bucket. You can see that again. Pour them on the conveyor. I don't know what their rate is. They may put covers or extra side wheels on here. But we've got a funnel to get it in. Pull it in there. And up the hill it goes. And back out. Pump it. So we're working here. The variable speed system. Up to 80 feet per minute. Digital readout on the display. Right now it's running at 40 feet per minute. Ships in 2 sections that are super jammed at the base there. And the belt just moves around and wraps. And that pretty much takes care of that project. Thanks for watching.